Ebony, I'm going to be teaching you how to make slime. So, first, I know my sink is dirty, but I tried this. So, please do not judge my sink. But I have no idea if you can see right here or not. But first, you need a bowl. Okay. I bet you can see like that. Yep, you will need a bowl. This is something that specific you will need, which this is shampoo, remover shampoo, glue resident, and it has some type of glue, not like glue, school glue, but like some type of glue that is able for you to make slime. Now, mix that together, and then last but not least, the last ingredient is lizard salt. So mix these two together. Okay. By the way, you can also use this kind of soap, Soothing Aloe Vera. This kind of soap, you can get it from Walmart or Dollar Tree or Home Depot. You can use that kind and use salt, but I'm using the shampoo because the shampoo remover lasts really longer. You can get the shampoo remover at a beauty salon. So take a little bit of salt. Okay. I was making sure you can see me, guys. I should have never moved my phone. Okay, take a little bit of salt. Sprinkle a little bit in there. Not too much. It depends on how much you have. Then mix that. So I am going to add some more. It is a certain amount you have to use in order for this to work, which is about the amount that I just poured. But anyway, since I already added my salt, then I should not need to add any more salt to it. Well, yeah, probably a little bit more, but just a little bit more salt. So I'm just gonna sprinkle it on here. Ooh, I used way too much salt, guys. Okay, so now mix that, and there you go. Look at that. Okay, can you see it? Look at that, guys. That is slime. You just need to put it in the freezer, freezer about 1 to 2 minutes, refrigerator about 5 to 10 minutes. And I'm going to put it in my deep freezer because deep freezer is colder than the freezer and the refrigerator. So I'm putting it in my deep freezer. Have a deep freezer, refrigerator, and a freezer. So now I'm going a little more salt in there because that was not enough. Alright, and that is how you make slime. Now you want to put some contact solution in here, which let me put some contact solution here. There we go. And that will make it not stick. As you see, it is not sticky. And look. See? No stick. No stick. Okay. Sorry guys, my brother was calling me. And yeah, guys, that is how you make slime. So, I'm coming.
What did Mama say? How many you want?
How many of what?
The food do you want? Tacos.
How many you want? 2? Come on.
So anyway, guys, my brother was asking me how much food do I want. As you can see, it's not sticky, and now I am about to put this in my hand. So as I said, this might be still a little bit sticky because I have not put it in the freezer or refrigerator yet. So look at that, guys. There goes your slime. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you look on this. So, hope you look about this, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Now I am going to be making another video of a challenge, the ice. No, I'm not going to be doing the ice bucket challenge, but I am going to be like doing the cold water challenge. Like you have really cold water in it. I will be doing that challenge, but thank you for watching my video.